Your equipment is a living machine. It moves, turns, shakes, gets sick, overheats, and yes, even breathes. As your industrial equipment heats up and cools down, it expands and contracts. And in order to keep machinery from building up too much pressure, equipment OEMs include vent caps on the fill port to allow expanded air to escape. There's only one problem. While they let air out, those simple caps don't prevent small dirt particles and moisture from making their way into the equipment, which can cause big problems. Dirt particles as small as 5 microns can damage bearings, gears, and valves by wearing away the critical surfaces. Even worse, moisture, over time, will condense inside your oil reservoir, introducing water to your lubricants and keeping your maintenance team busy. But that's where Descase's desiccant breathers work their magic. With a wide range of sizes and features for almost any application, our breathers simultaneously remove moisture from the headspace of equipment with silica gel and prevent even the smallest particles from entering your oil tanks with multi-layer filtration. The best part? You'll see a return on investment almost immediately. With fewer breakdowns and production stoppages, you'll run more efficiently and create less waste, all while increasing the working life of your lubricants and equipment. So don't wait, find the right fit for you today.